Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and do we have a deliciously sounding promotional product for you today? It is called the Skinny Dip. The Skinny Dip is available in both Canada and the US, available through HPG companies Handstands and Debco. In the States, you're going to find it under SKU 63013, and in Canada, you're going to find it under SKU HS2301. Let's get into this product though. Now, when you get a tech product, when you receive a speaker, the first thing you're going to notice is the packaging, right? I got a tech product. I got something that I can't wait to open it. What's it going to feel like? Well, you know when you get a speaker from a big box company, you know how difficult it is to open those packages? I certainly do. I'm using scissors, I've got foam, I've got clamshell. Honestly, it's like Fort Knox to get into some of these speakers. This one here is different. Look at this, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so simple to take that lid off. And the minute you do, you see these gorgeous instructions right at the top of the box. And on top of that, the box says upcycled, so I'm assuming it's completely recyclable. How cool is that, right? But these instructions, easy to find, aesthetically beautiful, and easy to read. Wonderful! Now I know what I'm talking about. We take this out of the box and it is so simple. I don't have to cut anything. I don't have to pry it out of the box. It's a piece of cake. And now I'm beginning to understand why they called this the Skinny Dip. Look at the aesthetic. Oh my gosh. It is anti-ostentatious, right? How great is that? It's like a piece of bamboo. If I live in a flat in New York City, if I've got an apartment in Chicago, if I've got a small loft anywhere in North America, and I'm looking for something that's not going to crowd my space, look no further than the Skinny Dip. The aesthetic is stunning. No bells and whistles, no things hanging off of it, no things protruding from it, just the speaker. How great is that? But does it work well, you're probably asking? And the answer is yes. At 3 watts and a beautiful speaker built into the front, this thing kicks. They've even built a sound hole in the back that allows the bass to come out even more and accentuate that big sound. I love that. Now, the other great thing about this speaker is that when you look on the inside of the packaging, they've also included a little window inside so that you can see that there's an extra cord in here, and that cord will charge the lithium-ion rechargeable battery. That is great. How many times have you thrown away packaging only to discover, hey, there was something else in that packaging? Well, they took care of that at Handstands and at Debco, and they made it so that you can see exactly what's in it. But hang on a second, I haven't even told you about the best part of this product yet. In addition to it being easy to use and sync to your phone, this particular piece has 32 feet of wireless connectivity. That's wild! The buttons are easy to navigate. You can volume up, you can volume down, do all kinds of things with those multi-function buttons. But hang on, here's the best part. For 100 units, that's right, 100 units only, you can order this overseas and have it completely customized. How great is that? And when I'm talking about customization, I'm talking about full, complete wrap. Your logo built the entire way around this speaker. If you wanted to make it look like a Rubik's Cube, you could do it. If you wanted to make it look like a baseball, you could do it. If your customer was an aquarium, you could actually have a whale swimming around this entire speaker and sell it in the gift shop. There are so many applications for this speaker. It is incredible, which is why I like it. I love the price point and I love its versatility. Calling it the Skinny Dip was such an awesome idea because we start with a naked product and then we embellish it with logoing, with customization. This is a wild, wild product. For all those reasons, I highly, highly recommend this product, and I want to thank you for watching our video today. Listen, please like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share these videos with your colleagues, with your friends, with your customers, and always check us out at www.promonoise.com for the latest and greatest information. Hey, I'm Alex. Thanks for watching this video today, and I can't wait to see you again. Cheers for now.